Hello lovelies, welcome back again to another video. In today's video I'm so excited to share with you Ghana green soup, EBUNABUNU NKWAN papabi. And I know after watching this video you are going to make this soup your number one best soup in Ghana. Let's get started. For this green soup, I have in my washed cocoyam leaves, taro leaves, or spinach. You can use spinach, taro leaves if you want. I also have some turkey berries and some washed snail. I have some salted pork, salted tilapia, and jiawari papabi, that is beef, and I also have in some fresh beef and crabs. Also, I have in some fresh okras, red pepper, and also my green peppers, 2 large onions, and also garlic and ginger. In a bowl, I'll add in my vegetables, that is my pepper. To that, I'm going to add in some of the okras and the rest of my vegetables. So this okra, I'm going to blend it together with all my vegetables. Yes, I am not joking with this green soup, not at all. So I'll add in a little bit of water to it and bring it to a boil for at least 10 minutes. In a pot, I'm going to add in my washed snails. To that, I'll add in my beef and also my blue crabs. I also add in my salted pork, beef, and salted tilapia, that's my kobe. So everything is nicely washed. To that, I'll add in my blended garlic and ginger, and also I'll also slice 1 chopped onions and add it to my meat. Next, I'm going to add in the water I strained from my snail. Snail water contains a lot of nutritional value, so I'm adding it because I don't want to waste anything at all, not at all. So I'll add in 1 cup of water and also my tomato paste. I'm going to cook this on a low heat for at least 15 minutes. Whilst I'm going to cook this, let me check on my vegetables, and it's doing very well. Look at how green everything looks. I don't want to overcook this to lose its nutritional value. I'm going to set it aside for it to cool down and blend it until everything becomes very smooth. So I'll be enjoying this EBUNABUNU NKWAN with some fufu. You can choose to eat it with rice, ampesi, banku, abetie. It goes with anything. Just feel free and eat it with anything. Next, I'm going to check for my sauce, and it's doing all good. I have been cooking this on low heat for about 15 minutes and it is ready. So I'm going to add in my blended vegetables. Just look at how green it is. EBUNABUNU NKWAN we dey be dia grow saga. Tebenu yon kwan mu kakra on. Na ye so kakra wono. Just a little bit of water and let it cool for additional 15 minutes. If you want your EBUNABUNU to look this green, please don't overcook your taro leaves or cocoyam leaves or spinach. Don't overcook it so you don't lose its color. I'm going to enjoy it with fufu, as I said. So I'm going to add in my garden eggs and also my okra. Yes, I'm going to cook this on low heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes and our soup should be ready by then. Just look at how our soup is getting ready. It's almost 10 minutes. So I'll add in my mackerels. Hey, EBUNABUNU NKWAN we dey nya grow. I'll cook this for additional 10 minutes and our EBUNABUNU should be ready by then. Remember, I haven't added in any salt because I already have some salted beef, salted tilapia, and salted pork. And it's okay for me. I don't need any salt. You can choose to add in salt if you want, but for me, this is okay for me. So it's been 20 minutes of cooking our soup, and just look at how nice and appetizing our soup looks. You can see from the beginning it was very green, but now it has reduced in color. That means it has cooked very well. But if you don't want to lose the color that much, you can cook it for at least 10 minutes and it should be okay. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Like, comment and share, and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed.